position of the finger. If your finger is pointing this way, if your finger is pointing towards you, the bottom of your fingernails are curved up. But if your fingers are pointing, which way? Yeah, if you point them this way, then your fingernails are curved down. So that's what I mean about that. All right, let's black it out. Nope, not that. Let's do this. Give a little halo around the hand. And now we'll black it out. Tears and praise, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy, repeat, sounding joy. How about some? I remember your Christmas music streams. Oh, yeah, yeah. The Christmas music stream was not as horrible as I don't remember those fondly, but thank you for remembering them, hopefully fondly. I realized it takes a lot of work to be a music streamer. You got to know a lot more songs than the songs that I know. You got to know songs that people actually want to hear. You got to know them well enough so you can play them without looking too much. My daughter is the musician more than I am. My first love is art. For some reason, it's just not looking the way I want it to look. And now, how's that hand look? figured out this hand earlier. I just told Flatcap earlier that I prefer to do inking on stream rather than penciling on stream because inking takes less guesswork. You've already figured out the hard stuff and done all the hard thinking with the pencil, and inking is just going over the stuff that you've already figured out. But sometimes even that is not how you expected it. Sunshine. Oh, sorry. Remember the Christmas spirit? My daughter is learning piano. Okay, awesome. She's having fun with it. I know another artist who also does the pencil offline. Yes, smart person, smart man or woman, whoever that is. Your husband says he likes the music. Thank you, husband. Husband of Sunshine S Games. I'm not saying I was a horrible singer, guitarist, but horrible music streamer. Let's just say that. Didn't know enough songs. If you're gonna change your name, you need to know a few more songs. How long has she been playing piano? Speaking of my daughter again, so my daughter says that she's in college. When you want to become a music teacher, you have to learn all the instruments. So she is taking piano, and she says that her piano class allows her to, like she is given an assignment, and she really does not take the time necessary to learn the assignment, so she comes in with the sheet music, sits down, learns it minutes before she's about to play it, and she gets away with doing that. So she's like, I really need that. I really need to do it that way because I need to give time and attention to my other classes. And I'm thinking, okay, well, how difficult are these piano lessons? Are we talking about Franz Liszt? Are we talking about Schubert? Are we talking about Mary Had a Little Lamb? Whenever I hear this song, I think of the Muppets. Muppets version. It's very funny. Animal is on a leash, and he keeps saying, won't go.